In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add background images on Squarespace. To get started, open Squarespace and go to the page you want to update. Once you are on the correct page, look to the top left corner and click Edit. This puts the page into editing mode, so you can make changes to the layout and design of that specific page. Next, move your mouse over the section where you want the background image to appear. As you hover over that section, you will see editing controls appear. In the top right area of the section toolbar, click Edit Section, which may also appear as a pencil icon. This opens the settings for that individual section, which is where you can control the background style. When the section settings panel opens, look across the top of the panel and click the Background tab. This is the area where Squarespace lets you manage background visuals for that section. If your section does not already have an image, this is where you will add one. Now click the plus sign or select Add an Image. From here, you can upload an image file from your device or choose a stock graphic if that option is available in your account. If you are uploading your own image, make sure it is clear and high quality so it looks good across different screen sizes. A well-sized image can help the section feel more polished and professional. After your image has been added, take a moment to adjust the opacity slider. This setting controls how strongly the image appears against the background color. Lower opacity can create a softer, more subtle effect, while higher opacity makes the image stand out more. This is especially useful if you want to keep text readable on top of the image while still adding visual interest to the section. Once you are happy with how everything looks, click Done in the top left corner of the settings panel. Then make sure to click Save so your changes are applied to the page. If you skip saving, your background image may not be published. That is the full process for adding a background image to a section in Squarespace. Repeat the same approach for any other sections you want to customize. That covers everything you need to know.